Jumping into our autonomous period on the Red Alliance, Team 102, the Gearheads, up and on to level 4 as 8130 Abzagami Robotics scoring on level 1 for our Blue Alliance. The Gearheads lining themselves up to be ready to quickly score as our drivers take control. Daleks placing up on a level 4 while pulling off a piece of algae for that Red Alliance, as 7110 Heights Bites looking like they may have a piece of coral stuck inside of that Blue Alliance machine. They're now going to head over towards that red side of the field and try to play some defense here and slow down this Red Alliance. On the red side of the field, 5490, that's the Dark Bite lined up at that feeder station, pulling that coral out and lining themselves up, it looks like, with level 4, as they really have perfected this mechanism all day, slowly pushing that piece of coral out and then driving it forward onto the reef. Killer Cardinals 2 looking like they may be stuck on a piece of coral out in front of that feeder station for our Red Alliance, trying to line themselves up and score onto level 2 as they've done all day. They are encountering some defense from 7110 Heights Bites, who are trying to slow down this Red Alliance from being able to score while their Blue Alliance machines are, in fact, scoring. 102, the Gearheads, look like they may be beached on some algae. Let's see if they're going to be able to head back and get themselves off of that by the end of this match, as 8130 Abzagami Robotics with their robot Chad lining themselves up to grab another piece of coral from that feeder station, as the Daleks lining up a level 4 and placing that on for a 5-point score. Red Alliance side of the field, the Dark Bite placing what looks like is going to be a 5th piece of coral onto that Red Alliance level 4 of the reef, slowly pushing that on for 5 points, as the Killer Cardinals 2 have a piece of coral inside of their machine, driving their way up to the Red Alliance reef, lining up with level 2, using that unique scoring mechanism to line themselves up, pushing on for a 3-point score for our wonderful rookies on the red side of the field. With just 17 seconds left, our robots are preparing for the end of the match, as 8130 grabs a piece of algae, working on putting that inside the processor here. With only 7 seconds left, 7110 looks to park with the Daleks, and that is where we will end match number 59. Scores are on the screen. Blue Alliance taking the last match with a score of 91-44. Our Red Alliance still able to take home that additional autonomous ranking point, with the Blue Alliance grabbing 5 of the 6 available points. And teams, as an announcement, we will be doing a few photos on the field